In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Substack tutorials. Whether you're looking to log out of your account for security reasons, sharing your device, or just taking a break from your screen, we've got you covered. Let's walk through this straightforward process to ensure your logout experience is quick and hassle-free. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Substack's homepage. If you're already logged in, you should see the familiar dashboard interface that lists all your subscriptions and notifications. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's particularly important to ensure you log out when you're done to keep your information secure. Once you're on the Substack homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your account icon or perhaps an initial of your username, which represents your profile. Click on that account icon. This step will take you to a drop-down menu highlighting several options related to your account settings and preferences. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it provides access to personal settings, managing subscriptions, and other Substack features. In this drop-down, you'll find the option to sign out. Selecting this will log you out of your account, ensuring that your session is securely concluded. This step is crucial if you're using someone else's device or a public computer to access your Substack account, as it helps prevent unauthorized access to your personal information and subscriptions. And that's all there is to it. Within a few clicks, you're securely logged out and can rest easy knowing your account is protected. It's worth remembering that logging out is an essential aspect of digital hygiene. By routinely signing out of your accounts when finished, especially on non-personal devices, you help maintain not only your account privacy, but also contribute to overall online security. Just to recap, you first navigate to the Substack homepage, click on your account icon at the top right corner, and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This simple process helps keep your Substack experience secure and stress-free. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now confident in managing your Substack logout process with ease. Don't forget, staying aware of your account security doesn't have to be cumbersome. Little habits like signing out go a long way in safeguarding your online presence. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, stay secure,